Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Dan Plan video. Today we're in Liverpool, John Lennon Airport for the Premier Inn, and we are flying to Rovaniemi, Finland. Last night the Northern Light notifications were going crazy. They had like such a good show. I hope that happens again tonight. However, if it doesn't, I've said I'm never going to chase the Northern Lights again after the show me, Pam, Craig and Nick got in Finland 5 years ago. We seen them in Iceland the year after and it was nowhere near as good, so I said I'll never ever chase them again. But last night, whoa. This is the view from the room, just the Premier Inn. And that there is the airport just behind the trees. So we've seen planes coming and landing and then taking off from there. Right, let's head over to the airport. So this was the Premier Inn, John Lennon Airport. Really nice actually. Let's go to the airport. Right, we're parked up. We're walking towards the terminal. What a beautiful day for a flight. Look at it. Woo! So we've just dropped our bags there and she said there's 19 people, 19 on this flight. You know, the reason we came to Liverpool was because we got the flights for under £20. So like when it's that cheap, you drive to any airport. 19 people on the flight. So last night, one of the flights going to London, they got the Northern Lights on the plane. So if we get them, everybody will have a window. Everyone will be able to see themselves. She said 90 people, not 19, 90. I didn't understand the scouse. Right, we're just about to board now. And it's definitely 90 people, not 19. I thought it was too good to be true. But we go. We've arrived in Rovaniemi, so we are 2 hours ahead of UK time and 1 hour ahead of the rest of Europe, so getting straight through, hopefully get our bags, pick the car up and then we're away. So we just beat that queue, we're already at the baggage collection, but look at this airport. Can you imagine being here as a kid? Here's our cases. Right, let's get straight for the car. Right, we've arrived. We have our hire car. We're just putting the bags in and now I am desperate to eat. Literally have had no food all day. This is our rental car, little Toyota Yaris hybrid. We need to name him.
Larry?
Larry the Yaris.
Because look at
Here
the
we
reg.
go.
Lars 24/7.
Lars. Right, let's go and get some food. So hungry, just came straight to Hesburger, literally just picked the car up. This is the first food I'm eating. Okay, Hesburger done. Now we're going into the K City Mart, get our shopping. Look at this. When we were here 5 years ago, they used to sell these chocolate crisps that I was obsessed with, so I'm going to see if there's any of them here.
I'm gonna look at it.
Look at this place.
So that's all baby food.
Right, so we've left Kmart, now we're just driving down this highway towards Rovaniemi and we should be there in a couple of minutes. We're taking this right. Right, we've literally just got to the apartment. It's local time, 12:10. So I'll give you a quick tour. This is where I stayed for only 3 nights. Right, so quick apartment tour. This is kitchen area, living room, bedroom. Like I say, this is for 3 nights. Then we've got our own parking space down here. This handle is already broken. That just comes out. Then we've got like a covered balcony. That's our little car down there. Not bad. Not bad. And we've got a sauna. I'll show you the sauna in a sec, but the best thing about any Finnish home is this cupboard. The drying rack above the sink. Amazing. Bathroom and sauna in here. Let's go. Okay, we've made it to Belvedere Park. My hat just blew down the street and Pam went chasing after it right in front of the Daniel Hotel. So